Welcome to Fever Smile Professional Teeth Whitening Kit. Today we're going to guide you step by step on how to whiten your teeth with Fever Professional Teeth Whitening Kit. Step 1. Prepare your teeth at least 4 hours prior to whitening. Gently brush your teeth with a soft bristle toothbrush and water to clean out any debris. Apply some desensitizing gel, the blue gel, to your toothbrush and gently brush your teeth and gums thoroughly for 3 to 5 minutes. Then rinse your mouth with clean water. Take a close-up photo of your teeth so you can track your progress. Step 2. Mold your mouth trays. To get started, boil hot water and pour it into a bowl. This will be used to soften your mouth tray so your mouth tray can mold to your teeth. Next, fill a bowl of cold water. This will be used to set the mouth tray once you have completed the molding process. Take one mouth tray out and hold it by its tab. Submerge the rest of the mouth tray in the hot water and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. The length of time depends on how hot your water is, so when you see the mouth tray has softened, remove it carefully and shake off any excess water. Carefully place the mouth tray over your top row of teeth and suck out all the air. Use your fingertips to push against your teeth to mold the mouth tray into shape. Once you're happy with the mold of your teeth, cut or twist the tab off your mouth tray and place it into the bowl of cold water. Repeat this process with the second mouth tray for your bottom teeth. Take your LED light and remove the plastic tab between batteries. To do this, simply twist the cap off the LED light and remove both batteries. There will be a plastic tab between the batteries. Remove the plastic tab and place the batteries back in the LED light with the plus sign up. Take your whitening application and apply small dots of gel. The size of the dots should be a matchstick head size. Apply to each tooth impression for each mouth tray. Ensure each tooth impression receives an even amount of gel. Avoid overfilling the mouth trays with gel. This will prevent any sensitivity during your whitening treatment. Insert your top and bottom mouth trays and place the LED light under your lips on top of the mouth trays. The LED will activate the gel and speed up the whitening process. Sit back and relax for 45 minutes and let Fever work its magic. When you finish your whitening session, remove the LED and wipe it clean with a damp cloth. Remove and rinse the mouth trays with clean water and dry. Rinse your mouth with warm water and take a close-up photo of your teeth to reveal your amazing results. Please visit feversmile.com for after whitening support. Thank you for choosing Fever Smile.